Software pricing models, an exhaustive overview. When companies develop software, they need a way to charge users for accessing and using their product. This is where software pricing models come into play. These models help determine how the software is priced and how the customers will pay for it. Each pricing model has its advantages and disadvantages depending on the type of software, the target audience, and the market dynamics. Below, I'll explore various software pricing models in detail, including the concepts behind them, their advantages, disadvantages, and real-life examples. 1. Perpetual licensing. Concept. In the perpetual licensing model, customers make a one-time payment to purchase the software, after which they own a license to use it indefinitely. However, this typically doesn't include future upgrades or support, which may require additional payments. Advantages. Customers own the software forever once purchased. Cost predictability, one-time cost without recurring charges. No dependency on vendor. Customers don't have to rely on continuous payments to maintain access. Disadvantages. High initial cost. The upfront cost can be prohibitive for some customers. No automatic updates. Future upgrades and support often cost extra. Limited flexibility. Companies need to pay again for significant new versions. Example, Microsoft Office 2016, customers could purchase it with a perpetual license, meaning they would own it forever without needing to pay recurring fees. 2. Subscription licensing concept. Subscription licensing involves paying a recurring fee, usually monthly or annually, to use the software. This model often includes updates, support, and additional services as part of the package. Advantages. Lower initial cost. Customers can start using the software with a lower upfront cost. Automatic updates, access to the latest features and improvements. Predictable revenue for vendors. Recurring payments provide a steady income stream. Disadvantages. Continuous payment. Customers need to keep paying to maintain access to the software. Potential for higher long-term costs. Over time, the total cost may exceed that of a perpetual license. Customer dependency. Customers rely on the vendor's continued service and updates. Example, Adobe Creative Cloud. Users pay a monthly or yearly subscription fee to access a suite of Adobe tools with regular updates included. Freemium model. Concept. The freemium model provides a basic version of the software for free with the option to pay for additional features, services, or an enhanced version. The goal is to attract a large user base, some of whom will convert to paying customers. Advantages. Wide user adoption. The free version attracts a large user base. Flexible pricing. Customers can choose to pay for only what they need. Potential for high conversion rates. The basic version can entice users to pay for more features. Disadvantages. Revenue uncertainty. Not all users will convert to paying customers. Support costs. Providing support for free users can be costly. Potential overcrowding. A large number of free users may strain resources. Example, Spotify offers free access to a limited version of its music streaming service, with the option to pay for a premium version that removes ads and provides additional features. Usage-based pricing, pay-as-you-go, concept. In the usage-based pricing model, customers pay based on how much they use the software or service. This model is common in cloud services where costs might be based on storage space, data usage, or computing power. Advantages, cost efficiency. Customers only pay for what they use, making it cost-effective for varying usage levels. Scalability, easy to scale up or down based on needs. Transparent pricing, costs are directly tied to usage, providing clarity. Disadvantages, unpredictable costs. Monthly bills can fluctuate based on usage, making budgeting difficult. Overuse risk, customers may accidentally incur high costs if they underestimate their usage. Complex pricing structures. It can be challenging to understand how costs are calculated. Example, Amazon Web Services, AWS, charges customers based on the amount of storage, computing power, and other services they use, with costs varying month by month. Tiered pricing. Tiered pricing offers different versions of the software at various price points, typically referred to as tiers. Each tier provides different features, capabilities, or levels of service. Customers can choose the tier that best fits their needs. Advantages: flexibility. Customers can select the tier that matches their requirements and budget. Upsell opportunities encourages customers to upgrade to higher tiers for additional features. Broad market appeal attracts a wide range of customers with varying needs and budgets. Disadvantages: complexity in decision making. Customers may find it difficult to choose the right tier. Overlapping features. Features in different tiers may overlap, causing confusion. Pressure to upsell. Companies might aggressively push customers to higher tiers. Example, Zoom offers a free basic plan along with several paid tiers that include additional features like larger meeting capacities and enhanced support. Flat rate pricing. Concept: flat rate pricing charges a single, consistent fee for access to the software, regardless of how much the customer uses it. This is a straightforward model where the price remains constant over time. Advantages: simplicity, easy for customers to understand and budget for. Predictable revenue. Vendors receive consistent payments over time. No usage tracking. Customers don't need to worry about monitoring their usage. Disadvantages: potential for overpayment. Customers with lower usage may feel they are overpaying. Limited flexibility, doesn't accommodate varying levels of usage or needs. Risk for vendors. Vendors may lose revenue if customers use the software extensively. Example, Netflix charges a flat monthly fee for access to its streaming service, regardless of how many shows or movies the customer watches. Pay-per-user concept. In the pay-per-user pricing model, the cost is determined by the number of users accessing the software. This model is common in enterprise software and SaaS, software as a service platforms, where organizations pay based on the number of employees or users who need access. Nash advantages: scalability, easy to add or remove users as needed. Cost alignment, costs scale with the size of the organization. Clear pricing structure, simple for organizations to calculate costs. Disadvantages: potentially high costs, can become expensive for large organizations with many users. User monitoring, organizations need to track and manage user access carefully. Complex license management, can be challenging to manage licenses across multiple users. Example, Slack charges organizations based on the number of active users who are part of the workspace with different plans available. 8. Feature-based pricing. Feature-based pricing allows customers to pay for specific features they need or want to use. Instead of buying a full software package, customers can customize their purchase based on their requirements. Advantages: customization. Customers only pay for what they need, making it cost-effective. Greater control. Customers can tailor the software to their specific use cases. Enhanced user satisfaction, aligns closely with customer needs. Disadvantages: complex pricing, can be difficult to determine costs up front due to feature customization. Potential for higher costs. Costs may add up quickly if multiple features are required. Feature confusion. Customers may be unsure of which features they need. Example, Salesforce offers a variety of features and modules, allowing businesses to pay for only the functionality they need, with the ability to add more features as they grow. 9. Value-based pricing. Concept: value-based pricing sets the price of the software based on the perceived value it provides to the customer. This model considers how much the software will help the customer achieve their goals, save money, or create value in their operations. Advantages: alignment with customer value. Prices reflect the actual value the customer receives, potentially leading to higher satisfaction. Higher profit margins. Vendors can charge more if the software provides significant value. Differentiation. This model can differentiate high-value software from lower-cost alternatives. Disadvantages: subjectivity. Determining value can be subjective and challenging to quantify. Market resistance. Customers may resist higher prices, even if the value is clear. Complex sales process. Selling based on value requires a deep understanding of the customer's needs and market. Example, HubSpot prices its CRM and marketing software based on the value it provides to businesses in terms of customer acquisition and revenue growth. 10. Freemium to premium conversion. Concept: this model is an extension of the freemium model. While the freemium model provides a basic version for free, the freemium to premium model focuses on converting free users into paying customers by offering compelling upgrades and exclusive features. Advantages: high conversion potential, tailored upgrades entice free users to convert to premium plans. Wide user base. By offering a free version, the software can attract a large user base. Revenue opportunities. The free version serves as a lead generator for the paid version. Disadvantages. Free users may not convert. A large percentage of free users might never convert to paid plans. Support costs. Providing support for a large base of free users can be resource intensive. Balancing act. It can be challenging to find the right balance between offering enough value in the free version to attract users while reserving enough premium features to encourage upgrades. Example. Dropbox initially offers a limited amount of free storage. Users who need more storage or advanced features are encouraged to upgrade to paid plans. 11. Dynamic pricing. Concept: dynamic pricing involves adjusting the price of the software based on various factors such as demand, time of purchase, customer profile, or market conditions. This model is flexible and can maximize revenue by adjusting prices in real time or periodically. Advantages: revenue optimization. Prices can be adjusted to maximize revenue based on demand and market conditions. Flexibility allows businesses to respond to market trends and customer behavior. Customization. Prices can be tailored to different customer segments. Disadvantages: complexity. Implementing and managing dynamic pricing can be complex. Customer confusion. Frequent price changes may confuse or frustrate customers. Potential for negative perception. Customers may feel exploited if they perceive the pricing as unfair. Example: Airbnb adjusts rental prices based on demand, season, location, and other factors to optimize occupancy rates and revenue. 12. Pay-per-feature pricing. Concept: in the pay-per-feature pricing model, customers are charged based on the specific features they use. This model allows for highly customized pricing as customers can choose and pay for only the features they need. Advantages: customization. Customers only pay for the features they need, potentially lowering costs. Customer satisfaction. High satisfaction due to the personalized nature of the pricing. Clear value proposition. Each feature's cost can be clearly justified based on its utility. Disadvantages: complex pricing structure. Managing and communicating feature-based pricing can be complicated. Potential for overpayment. If many features are needed, costs can add up quickly. Customer decision fatigue. Customers may struggle to choose the right features, leading to decision fatigue. Example: Atlassian's Jira offers a base version with core features, and users can pay extra for advanced features such as additional user seats or integrations. Auction-based pricing. Concept: auction-based pricing involves customers bidding on the price of the software or service. The highest wins, and the customer pays the winning price. This model is less common but can be used for niche or highly specialized software where demand might vary. Advantages: market-driven pricing. Prices are set by what customers are willing to pay. Revenue maximization can lead to higher prices if demand is high. Engagement. Auctions can engage customers and create excitement around a product. Disadvantages: unpredictable revenue. Income can vary widely, making it hard to predict revenue. Complexity. Setting up and managing auctions can be complex. Limited appeal. May only work for very specific types of software or niche markets. Example: Google AdWords. While not software in the traditional sense, the ad slots are sold via an auction model where businesses bid for keywords. 14. Bundling and unbundling. Concept: bundling involves offering multiple software products or features together at a single price, while unbundling refers to selling each product or feature separately. Bundling can provide value by offering a suite of products at a discount, while unbundling allows customers to purchase only what they need. Advantages: bundling, cost savings. Customers may save money by purchasing a bundle instead of individual products. Increased sales. Companies can boost sales by bundling lower demand products with popular ones. Simplified purchasing, easier for customers to buy a complete package. Unbundling, customization. Customers can pick and choose the exact features or products they need. Lower entry costs reduces the initial cost by allowing customers to purchase only essential items. Disadvantages: bundling, overpayment. Customers may end up paying for features they don't need. Decreased perceived value. Bundles may dilute the perceived value of individual products. Unbundling, higher overall costs. Purchasing items separately may lead to higher overall costs. Complexity in decision making. Customers may face decision fatigue when selecting individual items. Example: Microsoft 365 offers a bundle of Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, along with other services like OneDrive and Teams. Customers can also purchase individual apps if they prefer. 15. Free software with paid support, open source concept. In this model, the software itself is free, but customers can pay for additional services such as support, training, or custom development. This is common in the open source community where the software is freely available for anyone to use or modify. Advantages: wide adoption. Free software encourages widespread use and adoption. Community contribution. Users can contribute to the software's development. Revenue from services. Companies can generate revenue from support and services rather than the software itself. Shahad disadvantages. Revenue dependence on services. Income is dependent on the sale of services, which may not be as predictable as software sales. Limited control. The open source nature may limit control over the software's direction. Support burden. The need to support a large user base can strain resources. Example: Red Hat offers a free open source version of its Linux operating system while charging for enterprise level support and services. Conclusion: selecting the right pricing model for software is crucial for both the provider and the customer. Each model comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and the choice depends on the specific needs of the business, the nature of the software, the target market, and the long-term strategy of the company. Understanding these different models can help businesses make informed decisions, optimize their revenue, and better meet customer expectations. By carefully considering factors like customer usage patterns, market conditions, and the value the software provides, businesses can choose the pricing model that best aligns with their goals. If you have any specific scenarios or further questions on any of these models, feel free to ask.